In today's video, I'll show you how to create a dynamic opening where the video slides into view and flips slightly, adding motion and energy to your intro. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and place your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the movement feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation. Next, switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Slide and Flip, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, the video slides into the frame and flips briefly before settling into place. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how dramatic the flip feels. Shorter duration makes the motion quick and punchy. Longer duration slows it down, creating a smoother and more cinematic effect. Review the animation and adjust the timing so the motion feels balanced. And that's it. You've successfully added a slide and flip reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.